Tired of your code looking like this coding catastrophe? Let's untangle the mystery and get you started with GitHub, the ultimate tool for organizing your code, collaborating with others, and tracking every single change, step by step. First things first, head over to github.com and create an account. Once you're in, you'll want to create a repository. Think of this as your project's home. Click the New button. Give your repository name. Add a description to explain what it is about. You'll be asked to choose if you want your code to be public or private. Then click Create Repository. Now, let's add some code. You can either upload existing files from your computer by dragging and dropping them, or create new files directly within GitHub. Whenever you make changes, you'll need to commit them. This is like saving a version of your work with a descriptive message explaining what you changed. Be sure to write a clear and concise commit message, and then click Commit Changes. GitHub really shines when collaborating. You can invite other developers to work on your repository and use features like pull requests to review and merge their changes. Branches are another powerful tool. They allow you to work on new features or bug fixes without affecting the main codebase. Once you're happy with your changes, you can merge them back into the main branch. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of GitHub. Now, go explore, experiment, and unleash your inner coding ninja. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.